oladoc YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलें। अब पाकिस्तान के हजारों डॉक्टर से वीडियो कंसल्टेशन के जरिए इलाज करवाएं। तो अभी oladoc ऐप डाउनलोड करें और घर बैठे अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखें। oladoc, मुश्किल वक्त में आपके साथ।
Hi guys, this is Maha. Welcome to One Room Workout. This is an 11-minute abs workout without equipment. Let's look at the preview. इस वीडियो के अंदर हम 4 तरह की डिफरेंट एक्सरसाइजेस कर रहे होंगे. 45 second of work with a 15 second break. Once we're done with the first round, we're going to repeat the same exercises for the second round. The most important thing for you to remember during this workout is that you need to keep a constant squeeze on your ab muscles. Basically पूरे workout के बीच में आपने कोशिश करनी है कि आपका जो पेट है, जो abs हैं, जो core है, वो constantly tight रहे. Pretend that your belly button is being pushed back to your spine, and that's the most important thing to remember during this abs workout. There is no warm-up required for this workout, but if you want to do one, you can go to my channel and do a quick warm-up routine. As I said, there's no equipment required for this abs workout. I'm just using a yoga mat. You can too. But the most important bit is that you keep a constant squeeze on your abs. That's the rule number 1 for this abs workout. Let's start with the workout now. The first exercise for the first round, it's called the long arm crunch. So for the first one, we're going to go to the floor. Now lie flat on your back, feet on the ground, arms straight behind your head. Now we're going to come up and crunch. Go back again. Now come up and crunch. Make sure when you're coming up, you're bringing your shoulder blades up and you're not reaching with your neck. As I said before, make sure there's a constant squeeze on your abs. The lower back should be glued to the floor, so that shouldn't be moving at all. Breathe in, breathe out. We're doing this for 45 seconds and we're going to get a 15-second break after this. Again, make sure you're squeezing your abs throughout the movement. Amazing. Now we have a 15-second break. We're going to start with a second exercise for the first round. It's called the oblique dips. For this one, let's get to the floor. Turn to one side, elbow on the ground, knees bent, shoulder in line with the elbow. Now press your hips down and up, down and up. Make sure you're breathing in and breathing out. We're doing this side for 45 seconds and we're going to switch to the other side. Make sure your elbow is right underneath your shoulder. Your body should be forming a straight line. Let's switch. Again, shoulder in line with the elbow. Knees ko bent rakhiye. Breathe in, breathe out. And make sure you have a constant squeeze on your abs. You're almost done. Amazing, guys. 15-second break. Now we're going to start with our third exercise for the first round. It's called the standing elbow to knee. Put your hands on your head. Now you're going to bring your knee up and touch with your elbow. We're doing this for 45 seconds. Even if you can't touch, that's okay, as long as you're twisting and crunching. Again, आपका रूल नंबर 1 ये है कि आपने कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने एब्स पे एक स्क्वीज रखना है. यू नीड टू कीप योर कोर रियली टाइट. दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. We're doing this for 45 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. This is our third exercise. And after this, we'll be performing our last exercise for the first round, and then we're going to repeat the set. Amazing, guys. 15-second rest. Now we're going to start with the fourth exercise for the first round. So let's get to the floor. Press your lower back into the floor. That's the most important thing. Hands up, knees up at 90 degrees. Now the opposite arm and leg will drop down and come back and do the opposite arm and leg. We're doing this for 45 seconds. It takes a little bit of time to get into the rhythm for this, but it's an amazing move. Make sure अगर आपका right hand नीचे आ रहा है तो आपका left leg नीचे आना चाहिए. So you're doing opposite arm and leg every time. This is the final exercise. And after this, we're going to repeat the set. Make sure there's a constant squeeze on your abs. Breathe in, breathe out. We're almost done. Amazing, guys. Now, after 15 seconds, we're going to start with our second round. As you all know, the first exercise is a long arm crunch, so just stay on the floor. Lie flat on your back, feet on the ground, both arms straight behind your head, and we're going to crunch up and down. Again, make sure you're bringing your shoulder blades up and not your neck. और अपने ab muscles पे आपने constant squeeze रखना है. That's the most important part. Breathe in, breathe out. This is our second round, first exercise. Amazing, guys. 15-second rest, and we're going to start with our oblique dips. So turn to your side, elbow and shoulder in line, knees bent. Let's go. Make sure your shoulder is in line with your elbow. And your body is in a straight line. Squeeze your abs. Breathe in, breathe out. We're going to switch to the other side. Now let's switch. Knees bent. Elbow and shoulder in line. And let's go. Breathe in, breathe out. Amazing, guys. 2 rounds down, 2 more to go, 15-second rest. And let's do standing elbow to knee. So hands on your head, bring your knee up and touch your elbow. Let's go. We're almost done with the workout. With just 1.5 minutes left, let's give it our best shot. Let's not give up. Let's keep a constant squeeze on your abs. Let's make these 11 minutes count. Almost there. Fifteen-second break, guys. We have our last exercise. Let's get to the floor. Lie flat on your back. Arms up. Knees up at 90 degrees. And let's start. Make sure you're hovering them on the ground when you bring them down. They're not touching the floor. Keep a constant squeeze on your abs, like I said before. This is our last exercise. Let's not give up. Breathe in, breathe out. We're almost done. And we're done. Amazing, guys. Good job. Thank you, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you at your next workout.
पाकिस्तान के टॉप डॉक्टर्स के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, वो भी पेशेंट फीडबैक देखते हुए। लाखों लोगों की तरह पाकिस्तान के सबसे बड़े डॉक्टर नेटवर्क का फायदा उठाएं और आज ही ओलाडॉक ऐप डाउनलोड करें। ओलाडॉक, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।